Time tracking tools versus productivity monitoring software. Which one is better for employee efficiency? Most managers get this wrong by thinking that tracking time automatically equals productivity. The surprising truth is that while time tracking tools and productivity monitoring software overlap, they serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can make a real difference for employee efficiency. Time tracking tools, like Toggl, Clockify, or Harvest, focus on recording how much time employees spend on tasks. They allow team members to log hours manually or automatically, categorize work by project, and generate reports. For example, a freelancer or consultant can see exactly how long they spend on client projects and ensure accurate billing. Time tracking tools excel at providing visibility into work patterns and accountability for time allocation. Productivity monitoring software such as Hubstaff, ActiveTrack, or Time Doctor goes further by analyzing employee activity to understand how work is being done. These platforms track app usage, website activity, and task completion patterns, often generating insights about productivity trends. For instance, a remote team manager can identify which tasks take longer than expected, detect bottlenecks, and offer support where needed. Productivity monitoring software excels at optimizing workflows and identifying efficiency gaps. The key difference is measurement versus insight. Time tracking tools measure hours worked, while productivity monitoring software analyzes how work happens and how it can be improved. Most companies benefit from combining both approaches. Time tracking ensures accountability, and productivity monitoring provides actionable insights to boost efficiency. The takeaway is simple. If your goal is to log hours accurately and manage workloads, time tracking tools are ideal. If your goal is to improve performance, streamline processes, and enhance employee efficiency, productivity monitoring software is a better choice. The surprising truth is that when used together thoughtfully, these tools create a powerful feedback loop, helping employees manage their time better while giving managers the insights they need to support and optimize their teams.